This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. You'll also need your new headlight bulb. This process is designed to be simple, even if you have limited experience with car maintenance. We'll cover each step clearly, ensuring you can complete the task efficiently and safely. Let's get started with preparing your vehicle for the replacement. Now, let's access the headlight. Open your car's hood and look for the two 10mm bolts at the top of the headlight assembly. Use your socket wrench to remove these bolts completely. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward a few inches. This creates enough room to reach behind it. Next, locate the electrical connector and press the release tab to disconnect it. With the assembly pulled forward, you can now remove the old bulb. Twist the bulb's housing counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, twist it clockwise to secure, and then reconnect the electrical wiring harness. Finally, let's finish up. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original mounting position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier and tighten them securely, but do not over-tighten. Test your new headlight to confirm it's working properly. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book about personal finance, check the description below for links and other deals. This simple repair can save you money and keep you safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.